dirty. Really riding dirty, trying to catch us riding dirty. Easy. We're off to college. Woo! She's my best friend from high school. We've been best friends since Fat bottom girls, they make the rockin' world go round. Excited? Yes. We're in Charleston, baby. Seriously? Hello, baby. Come on in. He's a party queen. We gonna catch some catfish tonight. What is that? It's the butthole. Last run of the day. Woo!
We can go to the beach and get tan if it's warm. Or we can just stick like that.
We are nature lovers. With my foot like this, and she goes, "It's not that funny." And licks my face.